The chimpanzees have very similar hands and feet like we do, except for this part, it's larger. So that's the main difference. And I've already done one hand. It looks like this. I'll put some more paste on it and smooth it out. I have to leave it to harden. I have a drawing here that I will give you. Another one, of course, this one is already stained. I will give you this drawing, and this is the drawing of a hand and of a foot. I will do one hand with you. You don't want it to be too hard at this stage. Just smooth it and make one finger. Roll it to a sausage shape and make one finger and just leave it there. This one is a little bigger and a little thicker. Okay. All right. Thumb has one side smaller and one side bigger. We're gonna use this one. So now I have to change the side, the position of those fingers, flip them around and flip this one around. And before we do that, we just have to trim those fingers on this line over here. Okay, and I have my thumb. Now we have to do this part. Don't do it too flat. You can also add some more paste later on, but it will be easier if it's not too flat. We can mark our fingers where those parts are approximately. I've already done this one. This is the right one that will come underneath over here. And for this one, on my drawing, I have it like this, like the thumb is touching the chin. But I was thinking if we could do like this. So it has a pointer finger on his chin, lips, whatever. We will see how big the hand is. So let's try to do that. This is this finger, and the other ones are a little bit folded, and the smallest one is quite folded. So the way you do this, the way I did this one, this hand, you just cut, not all the way, just half the way. And then turn it, and you have a gap, and you just fill that gap with some more paste. Use some water just to smooth it out. It looks like a bone structure. Just leave it here. This one a little less, fold it like this. And this one is just folded on the first I don't know what's the word. A little more. Okay, we have 3 fingers. This one can also have a little bit of movement. It looks more realistic that way. Okay, now we'll try to put it all together. And the small one is here, I believe, yes. Just place it on the right place. Take more paste, and we have a knuckle here. Just smooth it out. If your chocolate, if your paste gets too soft, just set it aside to harden. And the second one, I'll use some starch so it doesn't stick. And the second one is this one. Just place it on like this. Take more paste. Now we can do the thumb. Just join it together. We also need a little more paste over here for this part. Now place it in the fridge, and we'll continue when it hardens. I have here my right hand. I still need some more paste over here, and for some knuckles also. It's a little bit too thin. Just need a lifter so I don't touch the chocolate. I'll place this one in the fridge also. I'll just cover that part inside so it has better connection. This one is a little bit hardened. You can add on some more paste. I keep looking at my hand to help myself with the shapes. Okay, I think it's enough for now. Let us do the feet. We have the same job for the feet. They are just a little bigger. They look very much like the hands. They also have a thumb like this, separated, so they can climb trees, I guess. Okay, now first I will make this part. We'll make a heel later. Now let's do the fingers. Let's make a thumb. Now, if chimpanzee feet are the same as hands, or similar, then we can flatten the middle part. Okay. So this is the small one. We still need those parts. Have 2, 3 knuckles, I believe they're called. And now attach the fingers. You can enhance that shape again. Some water. So this hole I made on the bottom wasn't a good idea because now I have a hole here, so don't do that. Maybe I should make these feet a little smaller. If you have room on your board, just do it bigger. Now we'll try to put them on. I believe I made them too big, but you can cut off if you feel like it's too big. So far so good. I'll make another one. I'll just place some more with those feet to give them some more details, and then when I'm finished I'll get back to you. I've finished our feet and I can show you the fingernails on the toes. You just press like this to give it some shape. And we'll do the same on the arms, on the hands. And this is too hard now for me to handle. We'll just have to place this thumb finger a little bit inwards, and will come something like this, I believe. But we won't place our hands just yet. We have to do all the fur first, because we can't do it afterwards when we place this. And let's get started.